Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Wow! Later on, you can sing and dance to a song. It's gonna be a fun show. It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello little artists. Welcome to Artie's show. Thank you for watching. I'm really happy you're here. We're going to have a fun time. We're going to do a drawing together. And later on in the show, I'm going to have a song. It's going to be so much fun. Oh.
Hi, little artists.
Let's draw up some fun.
Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't... Oh, I guess we should start then. Okay, everyone ready? Let's begin.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Coming up, there's going to be a song. It's really fun. You don't want to miss it. Oh, I love drawing so much. It's so much fun. Whew, all this drawing is making me tired. Let's have a little break and sing a song. Are you ready? Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3.
I woke up and the sun set high. A bird sang back and I don't know why. The sky is blue like a crayon sky. I'm very happy today. Hip, hip, hooray, hooray. I'm very happy today. So let's go out and play. My shoes went on without a fight. My breakfast tasted just right. The clouds are fluffy and bright. I'm very happy today. Hip, hip, hooray, hooray. I'm very happy today. So let's go out and play. Jump like a frog, hop, hop. Spin like a top, don't stop. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3.
was the best song ever! But it's time to carry on with the drawing. Come along. Hi, Bubby.
Wow, you always make art look like magic.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, okay, see you later.
Bye. Wow, that was kind of an easy one. I really enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it as well, little artists? Oh, good. Well, there's only one thing left. We've got to colour it in.
Color it in, Artie!
I think I'm finished. Oh, wow, it looks so good now it's finished and it's got some colour. I'm really pleased. Yeah.
Brush high, brush low.
We've had fun now, time to go.
Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching Artie's show and we hope you come back again. Bye-bye for now and always remember, have an Artie